In this video, I will show you how to send Solana from Phantom to Robinhood. So doing this is fairly simple. First, you simply want to go and open up Robinhood and then just go to the Explore section and search for Solana. Now from there under crypto, you will find Solana. So just select it, and here you want to scroll down a bit, and then you have send and receive. Here just go and click receive, and that will give you a few things. So you can just click get started if it's the first time you use this. Now for me, it doesn't let me screen record this, but basically here it will then get you your wallet address, which you then want to go and copy. And then you want to open up Phantom Wallet, and from there you can then click on send, and then here just select Solana, and then here simply going to paste in the wallet address that you just copied from Robinhood, and then from there you can choose how much you would like to send. For example, I'll do 0.01 Solana, then you can click on next. Then you will see the fee and the network and all of that. So from there just click send, and after you click send, it will then be sent directly to Robinhood and it will be deposited into your Robinhood balance. So that's how to send Solana from Phantom to Robinhood. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.